Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick, easy Halloween mani on my nails. I am wearing Believe Beauty, which I got from Dollar General in Party Purple. So I kind of want to do basically what this says, kind of like a Halloween party on my nails. So I have taken some glitter. So I've done black, orange, this kind of purpley color, it's kind of magenta, and this green. And I have placed them in this little thing here, and I am probably going to mix them together instead of leaving them separate, but I wanted to show you first. So I'm going to mix them and I will be right back. Okay, this is with it mixed up, and I added some more orange because I didn't see enough of the orange coming through, so I think I'm going to place it on my nails and then I can kind of decide if I need to add any other color. Now, the reason I decided to mix it is just I didn't feel like I'd get it really the way I wanted it without mixing it. So we'll kind of see how it goes. Instead of using a brush, I'm going to just see if I can get it to work with the stamper. So this is just an old stamper I have that did not work. It does not pick up regular stamps. So I'm just going to use it for this and see if it'll do. And I did apply some of my, let's see, where'd it go? Maniology's sticky base coat to my thumbnail to try to help it. So let me see if this will even pick up. It did. Okay, great. And I'll just start placing it. Oh, I like that. It's kind of a bit much in one area, but now that I know it's picked up, I can try to maneuver it. That did much better than when I tried it last time with my brush. I'm gonna get that same brush out and kind of see if I can, if any needs to come off or will come off. It may not, and if not, that's okay. Just kind of looking at it. And I feel like all the colors are not showing up on camera the way I can see them in person. Okay, so I'm going to continue to do this on the nails I want it on, and I'll be back. Okay, got it on as I want it on. Um, so I did try to dust off some, but it just won't come off. Once it's stuck, and that's okay. Also, even try to put not as much on the stamper, and it still kind of just did, but that's all right. I'm gonna leave it like so. So I'm gonna, for these, gonna go in with some stamping. Also, I cleaned this off with a lint roller, and it does pick up the little glitters, but they're still coming off a little bit because I don't have a top coat on yet. So I'm gonna go to Maniology Plate Film 510, and I'm gonna get this image here. And I'm hoping the colors will pick up well over, or show up well over the purple, but won't know till we get it stamped. So I'm gonna take Maniology Sour Apple B378 and Maniology's Pumpkinhead B254 and kind of just put both around it. And no rhyme or reason, just gonna go for it. Okay, they both showed up well, so I'm happy with that. This is gonna be one of the quickest videos I've ever done. Try not to touch to each other. Didn't get all of that one on right there. That's fun. I like it. So I'll do the others and be back. Okay, so that was so fast and easy, friends. Um, I really like how the orange and green work together. I'm happy with how they showed up. Um, Also, I was able to do the cleanup with just my lint roller. Now I'm having a couple pieces like right here. The glitters are, I'm having issues getting that one off, but that was nice to not have to use acetone because I don't like it drying out, around my cuticle area. So on the glitter portions, I've used my Salon Perfect glitter gloss top coat. I'm going to use this one up and then I'm going to end up trying something else out. And then on the stamped images, I used my Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat, B382. And they are both the same. And then I did apply some vehicle oil. So the only thing I would change at this point is, now I did add some more green into that mixture, but that green is very fine and the others are more chunky on the glitter. And so it's kind of, the chunky ones are overtaking the green, so you can't even really see green enough. So I would have tried either a different green, but I liked this brightness of this one, or just applied a whole lot more of it versus the other colors. And I barely used any, and I still have a lot left. Or, well, enough for like even another manicure. So, not sure what I'm going to do with that yet, but um, it may still not would show up. I don't know. Maybe it's because I really don't know. But also maybe trying to find another way to apply even less of it just so you could see the colors better. But I can still see the purple polish behind it on all of them, so I do like that. But if you just needed something super quick and easy, this would work. And my plan for my next one is going to be something very different for me, but I did just want to go ahead and get the, what I'm calling Halloween party glitter out the way for this time before I move on. But of course, I'll be doing some on my nail tips. But thank you so very much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. I will list the Maniology products I have used in the description box. And until the next one, have a blessed day, my friends. Bye.